So you might be wondering to yourself, when can I use these elements? Well, as I said just a moment ago, if an older browser encounters this new input type and doesn't know what to do with it, it'll fall back to just rendering a text box. So when can you use these element types? Well, you can start using them today. And in fact, there's an even more compelling reason of why you should be using them today. Soft keyboards that are rendered in mobile devices will react to these input types and change the way the keyboard is rendered on the screen, making it just a little bit better of an experience for users who are using your website. So for instance, notice this is just the standard soft keyboard here. It's rendered as a QWERTY keyboard because this is for the input type equals text. Now, if you change that to number, the soft keyboard that's rendered is for numeric values. So you notice that the numbers are really easy to get to. You've got some special symbols, and you can quickly switch back to the alpha characters if you want to, but this is optimized for entering in numbers. For a URL, notice what's happened here is that the spacebar is completely gone because spaces are illegal characters within a URL. And you even have the .com button, which you can often press and hold in order to get different extensions for domain names. The email keyboard is also optimized for email addresses. The @ sign takes a prominent place within the soft keyboard, and it's specifically set up to make entering in email addresses easy using this input type. All right, now let's take a look at how these input types render on the desktop as well.